back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with an exciting work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone. We will dive right into it. Just know the links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. Well-known online news type platform Buzzfeed is hiring a social media fellow. Now, they are allowing you to either work remote, Los Angeles office, or New York office. Now, we are interested in working remote, but this is a very exciting opportunity if you have skills in social media and don't mind watching shopping content. They are paying $23 an hour for this position, but they are looking for someone to join their social publishing teams dedicated to all things shopping. You will help schedule social media posts and curate shopping-oriented content across different platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. This is going to require you to read and watch BuzzFeed shopping content and then find creative ways to take that content and post it to different social media channels and audiences. So it doesn't sound like you are actually going to have to make the content yourself. The content is already made. You're going to optimize content across the social media channels, making sure you maintain a consistent publishing calendar while working against aggressive traffic goals. You'll analyze and prepare insights for social media and editorial teams. You'll track the performance of all initiatives across the platform, so you're tracking how well the content you posted did. You'll test creative and copy to discover ways to maximize engagement and traffic. And engagement are like the likes, follows, comments, all of those things. And you'll help assist with experiments on emerging platforms, so new platforms that come up, and you'll generate reports and share information across internal teams on how well things are performing. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree for this position. They're looking for somebody who has a passion for shopping or commerce content, someone who has a unique point of view or voice, particularly in crafting, copy, and creating assets, someone who has a great organizational skills, can analyze and interpret social media data, and has an enthusiasm for all things social. Now, they do have state restrictions on the states they can hire in. All of these states are linked right here at the bottom of the job post. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.